guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Matt. As you can see by the start of the video, we finally decided it's time to start the restoration of Mum and Dad's VL Commodore. On Sunday we were able to get it into the shed. My mate Jesse and his brother Bailey came out and gave us a hand to get it into the shed, and we're able to pull the engine and the transmission out of it, and Jesse started to pull the wiring loom out. I got a message from Jesse before to say that he's out at the shed at the moment and he's pulling the dash and all the rest of the loom from the car. So I'm just about to finish work and we'll head home and see what they've gotten up to. What's going on?
You've come to the right time.
Why's that? Hey, I got the dash out of it.
Oh,
Yes.
what the? Is that
Jeez.
No falls, no balls. That was under the carpet. So I've come to the conclusion that it's she's had a carpet replacement about 2001.
Mm-hmm.
There's newspaper all under the carpet.
Oh, there you go.
They're all still, some of them are still readable.
Mm.
There's like classifieds in there from.
Yeah, like there's VT with like 26,000 on it.
Interesting. John come round today and he reckoned that it was all redoable, so
Yeah.
got a bit done.
The only part that worries me,
Mm-hmm.
no one could see until I pulled the windscreen out. It goes inside the door frame.
Yeah, down there.
I know why it's rusted, bro.
Why's that?
So, this windscreen's been changed before, and it's been this bog in here,
Yeah.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
bog all the way around, but they never, like, rust-proofed it. Over there, where you can see, on the lip where the windscreen sits, is bare metal.
Yeah.
And it's
Oh, yeah.
marks on it. It's the silicon, and they've used silicon on the base.
Yeah.
Silicon attracts.
I used masking tape.
Yeah. So they masking taped over one of the holes, filled it with bog, put silicon on it. Did you do that?
No, I haven't touched it.
No.
Well, I think John's got a welder, so I mean, like a guy that comes in and welds,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
he should be able to fix it. He said he's seen worse,
Oh, I got no doubt.
which I think kind of reassured Dad. I don't know if you've been talking to Dad or not, but
Yeah, I saw it when we got here.
yep,
Um,
windscreen didn't come out in one bit.
it was glued to the headliner support thing.
Yeah.
There's a maggot over here. Oh,
Oh, did you get the light out or did Dad?
no, he does.
Because we were struggling, there was one screw.
No, the furthest I've been is where the carpet is pulled up to now.
Yep.
They said it on their ute.
Yeah.
I didn't
Bumpers over there.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, I gotta build. I think
Shelves.
another shelf's going up over there.
Yeah.
And then
Well, no, it doesn't look too bad. I was really curious, like, I haven't pulled up any of the newspaper yet, but just see what the floor's like.
doesn't look too bad though.
The worst bit, I think, rust-wise, is inside that pillar, like down there.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can get to that with the guard off, maybe. I don't know.
From
Yeah.
there down, I think you can because the guard covers it.
So
Could be.
I had to cut the two front left and right brake lines. And, well, that's your dad's fancy, you know, the ungler and something
Yeah.
like that. It just snapped off.
Shit.
And before I completed a round of them, they'll be easy to get off now because I've cut them right next to the flares.
Yeah.
And there's shit like that, so you just Had a casualty.
I have to go back super cheap with that shit.
Yeah. The super cool back on. Next time he goes to you know, you get like dry ice, you get the body deadener.
Yeah. Remember
Look at that.
remember the Commodore? We actually had to like fucking scrape it.
Yeah, chisel it. I don't know why that's happened, but that's good for us. It's insane. I don't know if the floor will go like that, but you can see it's sort of just started. But yeah.
That's a common spot.
Oh,
you
yeah.
need that speaker.
Yeah.
I think we fiberglass the green car.
Yes. So the Gemini's, I've got a new floor in the passenger side. And when I was screwing around with it the other day, it's I've noticed I'm gonna have to do the driver's side now. I haven't had a good look there, but it doesn't look too bad.
What colour do you reckon he's gonna go?
Don't know. Don't know. There's a bit of hair. Not sure. I said that's easy. Nice flat patch panel. Don't know. I think I've gotten it out of him. He reckons the plastic stuff's going.
He's not keeping it.
He said take it all off. So
I wonder if he's gonna keep it two-tone like I wanted him to, but I guess at the end of the day, it's his car.
I don't know. There's so many different combinations. Like, I love the red, like this. I actually like this red, and like a darker, like gunmetal grey. But yeah, it's not my car.
Well, he was talking, because I heard him talking to John,
Yeah.
and he was saying something about candy apple red.
Yeah.
But then he said that there was a video on YouTube of like a gunmetal grey. He said, but it was closer to like a black that he liked as well.
Yeah.
Then I said, well, what about candy apple red with a grey/silver down the bottom on the plastic? But if he's getting rid of that, he ain't gonna do that, is he?
Yeah. If it was 80,000 Bailey, tell you what. I'll tell you what the differences were for every version.
Well, the VCT came out with like 40 more kilowatt.
It's all happening.
Have you mounted that turbo on it yet?
He's already put it in the engine bay.
Is it gonna fit?
No. I own an angle grinder.
Yeah. I can say, yeah.
Oh god. It's
A bit big.
no such thing.
It's off a fucking truck.
No such thing.
Oh my god.
It is a pretty big turbo.
You wouldn't be able to spool it.
Yeah, we've got nitrous. I've seen a
Yeah.
video of similar. Guy spraying the bottle straight into the turbo inlet. And it sounds like it's about to make 2,000 horsepower. Then there's an explosion, and the video ends.
This is the wagon of Donna.
Yes.
go, guys. As you can see, Jesse and Bailey got a heap done the other night. They were able to get the rest of the dash, all the heating and air conditioning units and the wiring loom out of the car. Dad yesterday was able to come in and finish off pulling all the interior out of it. He said that he's got a little bit still to do with just pulling out the rest of the brake lines out from underneath the car and around the engine bay. Still a few wires and that inside of the car. Also got all the seat belts and all that have to come out. As you guys can see, majority of the rust is in this front part underneath the windscreen, but you can buy new cowls off of eBay and from Rare Spares, so we'll be able to get a new one of them, and John said he'll happily cut that out and weld a new one in. Hopefully this weekend we'll get the car off to John for body and paint, and get that process all started. I know Dad was talking about sending the engine off to Mick Malone to have it rebuilt, and then I think the transmission's going to go off to Ross Johnson to be recoated as well. So plenty happening over the next couple of weeks, and then I think in the start of November we have our first drag racing meeting, which will be at South Coast Raceway the 4th of November, which is a test and tune. So be able to test out the ute and test out Dad's green Commodore. It's been having trouble with their temperature getting hot on it, so we've got a new water pump for it to put on once this VL goes off to body, and I think he's also got a new temperature sender gauge to put in it as well. I know he put a new thermostat in it, but that hasn't seemed to help. Jesse was also saying that it possibly could have a blockage in the radiator, air blockage. So whether one of those is the problem, we'll soon find out. The ute is all ready to go. Finally got the new brakes put on it, so hopefully no more calipers seizing and dragging the front brakes, which will be really good. We should be able to pick up some mile per hour and an ET. Might be able to crack back into the 5.9s, if not a little bit quicker than that, over the 8th. Get back up to the 114 mile an hour, which would be really good. So hopefully some new PB there. Plenty of racing coming up. I'm going to go get ready for work, head off in the truck down to Melbourne. I might take a few time lapses, videos of that, and put them up after this. So thanks guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you later.